Okay, you guys, so another monsoon storm coming in, and right now the dust storm's just hitting right now. Yep, we're in it now. Yep, we're in it now. Here it is, we're in it. There's a storm about 10 miles away from here, and it's already starting to hit. Well, the dust storm portion. Yeah, so it's only gonna get worse from here. Very worse. Yeah, it's already here, getting pretty bad, and dirt's already flying in my eyes. Hold on, sorry if I get quiet. I'm texting my nana right now. I'm telling her because she has her animals outside. Okay, but yeah, what I was saying, it's here. Oh god, it's in my eyes already. So yeah, it's just dusty now. Not too strong wind, but it's pretty dusty, so that tells me it is gonna get worse if there's this much dust and it's barely 15 miles an hour. So if it gets any worse, sorry, I was filming up in the air. If it gets worse, I'll film again. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See, even those birds are like, nope, I'm not dealing with this. Not again. Oh, here comes a wave of wind. It's hitting. Look at that tree. Oh god. Oh. Well, I do pick it up. It's just that I was called to the back because of our dogs. Oh gosh. Yeah, well, bye.